All right, let's tackle 5 common POS headaches that can pop up on any busy day.
Yep, we've all been there, right? Let's get you some quick and easy fixes for these.
Okay, first up, a customer comes back needing an e-invoice for a sale you made to general public.
So the key here is timing. If they ask within the same month, it's actually a really simple edit.
But what if the month's already over? Well, you can't just edit it, it's a whole different process.
It's simple, really. Just create their profile, return the old bill, and then issue a brand new one.
Okay, next scenario. You finalized a bill and then, oops, a mistake. No sweat, some things are fixable.
Let's say you accidentally sold an item with the wrong serial number. Here's how you fix that.
Easy peasy. Find the bill, click the item, and use the swap function to make it right.
Okay, but what if the payment type is wrong? Like, you put cash instead of credit card.
It's pretty much the same deal. Find the bill, click the payment, delete it, and add the correct one.
All right, here's a big one, selling an item below cost. This definitely needs a manager's approval.
So the cashier gets a warning, and they just click a button to ask for approval. Super simple.
Then the supervisor just pops into the Approval tab, puts in their password, and hits Approve. Done.
Okay, on to a classic situation. A customer wants to return something and get a full refund. For this, you're going to use what's called a sales refund note. It handles everything.
Just find the original bill, pick the item, pop in the refund details, and finalize it. Boom!
And finally, let's simplify trade-ins. You don't need endless item codes for every single one.
Just create one trade-in item, record the purchase, and then sell from there. It's so much cleaner.
So if there's one thing to remember, it's this. Always start with the original transaction. That's rule 1.
So now you've got these fixes. Which one do you think is going to save your team the most time?